In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Adobe Acrobat from opening PDFs automatically. If you're like many people, you might find it a bit frustrating when your PDFs open without you choosing to do so. Thankfully, with just a few quick adjustments, we can easily fix this. First, let's head over to your Chrome browser. If you haven't opened it already, go ahead and open it now. Don't worry if you're using another browser. These steps are especially for Chrome users. But the principles can apply in similar settings across other browsers as well. Once you're in Chrome, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you will see 3 vertical dots, which serves as the menu for Chrome. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, we need to focus on navigating to the settings, which will allow us to adjust how PDFs are handled by the browser. After clicking those 3 dots, a menu appears and you want to look for settings in this list. Clicking on Settings will open up a new tab dedicated solely to your settings preferences. Now, within this tab, you should see various options in a sidebar on the left side of your screen. Among these, there's an option labeled Privacy and Security. This is where we're headed next, so go ahead and click on it. This section manages everything from privacy settings to permissions you set for websites, making it quite essential for controlling how your content is displayed and managed. Once in the Privacy and Security tab, navigate your focus over to Site Settings. Clicking here will unfold even more specific settings for how sites handle their media, including PDFs. The interface here resembles a big list of various control settings. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but it's straightforward once you know exactly what you're looking for. Continue scrolling through the site settings until you find a section labeled PDF Documents. This is where the magic happens. Click on PDF Documents and you'll be directed to a setting related to how PDFs are displayed. Here, make sure you change the option by selecting, or in this case, unselecting the box next to Download PDFs instead of automatically opening them in Chrome. Unselecting this ensures that instead of automatically opening, it will download the file so you can choose to open in whichever viewer you prefer. And there you have it. With just these simple steps, you have successfully changed your settings to stop Adobe Acrobat or any other viewer from automatically opening PDFs. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share with others who might benefit from it as well. Happy browsing!